Hey, welcome to Outdoor with Beane. I'm over here at the Crockett Trail in Greensboro, North Carolina. It's got some lake views. It's very beautiful over here. It's about 2.5 miles counting going and back, because it ain't a loop, it's one way. So going and back, it's about 2.5 miles, actually a little over. And it's definitely a nice little trail to check out. It rained the other day and there's some trees falling down and we had to go through some obstacles and some puddles of mud, but it was fun. I think my kids like doing the limbo by the trees. Y'all like that?
Oh yeah, you have to stay tuned to see how good we were at it.
Yeah, definitely stay tuned and put in the comments below what trails you would like me to do in North Carolina. And I'm gonna have some waterfalls coming for you later on in the future, and I'll spread out and do some more trails further out, and try to get all the places in North Carolina, and eventually even out of the state. I'll try to get some more popular places. So I love y'all. Stay tuned, enjoy the footage, like, subscribe. Until next time, be blessed and go hiking. Just hold on to that and be careful, because I about slipped there. Okay, go up some and I'll help him.
Not my pearly whites.
It's fine.
My socks.
Yeah guys, the woods is full of all kinds of surprise. Check it out guys. What do y'all think about this trail so far?
Excellent.
Quite slippery and muddy.
Slippery and muddy.
It's mud-tastic.
Yeah, I definitely wouldn't come here after a rain unless you got some good boots on to
there you go.
keep you out of the water. Yeah, and watch out for the fallen trees. Yeah guys, let's go. check out this lake view over here at the Crockett Trail in Greensboro, North Carolina. What do y'all think, guys? How do you like it?
I think it's amazing.
Yeah. I think it's like a very good view.
Yeah, I will say there was a lot of rain the other day and the trail was pretty muddy, so I wouldn't come a day after the rain, but there ain't nobody here, just us, so it's nice and peaceful, and this view was, I believe it was worth it.
Yeah.
This is where limbo comes in handy when you're out here in the woods hiking. Got a little bit of a tree in the way, so we're gonna play limbo. Go ahead, Brian.
Yay!
Wow.
Do your limbo.
I don't think
Hey,
that's how you
you
play.
supposed to touch. And let's see if you can go under without touching. You can do it. Alright, here. You hold the camera and then I'm gonna try to go through.
Okay. Wait, let me get on the other side.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got me?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm too old for this. I'm too old. Been driving a truck too long. Hey guys, over here at the Crockett Trail, and I believe this trail needs a little bit of maintenance. Check this out. Yeah, so if you got some time and a chainsaw, you might want to come over here and start chopping. I'll see y'all later. Come on, chicken.
Chicken? Bok bok.
I got cut.
All right, guys. How's your socks doing?
Good. I got
Yeah, we got to start wearing boots, guys.
cut. Yeah.
Okay.